morning, children. Today I'm going to tell you about new education policy. We have already studied in social infrastructure the education system of India, which we know that is based on 10 plus 2 plus 3. Means earlier we are having education system under which first there is a primary level education, then secondary, and then higher. So in this 10 years of secondary education or primary, and then 2 years for secondary education, that is 11th and 12th. Now Government of India has, we all are aware there are certain shortcomings of education policies. It is totally depend on bookish knowledge, and there are no places of vocational training. Government has started so many plans, still there are so many shortcomings. So to overcome of this, in 2020 our Government of India has now launched a new education policy which will be implemented further. Now let us see what is this new education policy. For schooling level, for earlier we are having 10 plus 2 in schools. Okay, now according to new education policy, it will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Means 5 year is for foundation. Child has to go to school and for some foundation only. In this there is a prep schools, playgroups also, and in class 1 to 2. This is for classes 1 to 2 till class 2nd. And there is bagless. Child will learn from the activities. Child will learn from various types of creativity things also. So this is the foundation year. Then next 3 years will come under the preparatory level. Under preparatory level, it is from class 3 to class 5. Okay, from class 3 to 5. In this, child will also learn something more, some new rules and some new things. And then comes middle level. This is 3 again of 3 years, from class 6 to 8. In this, child will learn some maths, some science tools. Okay, also learn humanities. Now child can learn humanity also in class up to from class 6 to 8. This subject is will also introduced. Then comes 4 year of secondary education from class 9 to 12. Okay, this is from class 9 to 12. In this, child will learn about a particular subject, will get proper knowledge of that subject with the help of the experiments, with the help of the activities, and which should not only based on bookish knowledge but should also have some practical aspects of these subjects. So this is the new education system which has been provided by the Government of India under new education policy. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Earlier we are having 10 plus 2. Now we are having 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system. The next feature of this is multi-stream. Multi-stream means child can select any stream. There is no restriction of science, commerce and humanities. All the subjects are open for the child. He can opt any subject. He can take maths, bio, economics, commerce. He can take history, geography, science, chemistry, anything, any subject. So it is multi-stream. Now it is not bounded into a commerce, science and humanities. So now there is a choice among the children to adopt take any stream. Then